Good morning. We are up early this morning and leaving for Kayaking Beach, south at Surat Thani. How's it going? Going good. This seemed to come out of nowhere.
Yeah, you're gonna have something to eat. Quickly, get in there, get off and get in there, quickly. Get in there! Get in there, go to eat! Eat something! What? Food! Yes! Here we come. Right, jump off. I've got to take the bag out. I've got to get the bag out because it's not. Like a little camping sort of. Yeah, but it doesn't look like there's anyone there. Just King Kong, that's it. Come on.
What?
Just King Kong is there, that's it.
It's not a hotel?
You saw it there. It's empty.
Here one more night tomorrow, we can try that one. Like try a different room.
We'll try different. I want to go somewhere else as well. Different.
Oh, look, a swing. I think that's the only RV. Oh, that's the kitchen right there. Whoa, whoa. Papa, look how sideways this thing goes. Yeah, that is the kitchen. That's the only RV. And the lady said after you finish with the canoe, you have to bring it back in.
Yeah, of course.
So can you help me?
Of course. I think you'll be able to carry it. Yeah.
I can take the small canoe out.
Huh?
But the waves look big.
What's up?
The waves look big.
No.
But it's good because this I never use a canoe on the beach. This is fun.
And then you can put it down near the tip of the boat. Not down too much, that's it, like that. Otherwise it doesn't take a good photo. Right, oh, we've got on there. Oh, it's nice and warm, huh? The
Yeah.
water's lovely near the beach.
Yeah. And it's like deep when you get out here.
Yeah, that's it.
And I see some people fishing on the beach because it's deep, and I saw a fish
Yeah. Where's people fishing? Obviously not fishing.
over there.
Yeah, but that's over there, not on the beach, is it?
Oh. I wonder what type of fish they have in the ocean in here. When they're fishing.
Well, in the ocean there's millions of different fish.
Oh.
But I mean, some like the deep, very deep water.
Like the
one with
anglerfish.
the anglerfish, the one with the angles a little light.
Yeah, and it attracts fish.
But you won't find him here.
Only
And then
in
you've
the
got coral fish, like the coral, and they stay in shallow waters where all the coral is, like Nemo.
Yeah.
And the little baby fish that are here are different altogether.
Yeah, but when we got on the boat, I saw a little fish. No, not little, about big as my arm. Tried
Really?
to get to us, yeah. Tried to like come to us.
You sure that's people there? Is it?
I don't know, maybe on the rock. That rock
I
in
can see
this
two
rock.
people out there, but they've been out there all the time. They can't be, they're not real people, I don't think. Look, the ones that two out in right out the end.
Yeah.
Well, they've been there all the time. They can't be the same people that's been standing there. That's like a statue, isn't it?
No, there's someone fishing.
Huh?
There's someone fishing.
Oh, was it fishing?
Yeah, someone's fishing.
But the other ones, look, with the red flags in it.